Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to Fajar Food Village. So today's recipe is gonna be meat karai. We're gonna let the pan heat first, and then now we're gonna add is 1.5 kg of meat. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Now we're gonna add is 3 onion. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Now we're gonna add is 2 garlic. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Now we're gonna add is 1 tablespoon of red chili powder. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Now we're gonna add is 1 tablespoon of haldi. Now we're gonna add is 1 tablespoon of mixed masala. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Now we're gonna add is 1 tablespoon of salt. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Now we're gonna add is half tablespoon of black pepper. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. We're gonna add is 3 to 4 pieces of laurel leaves. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Now we're gonna add is 1 glass of water. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Now we're gonna cover it for 15 minutes. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So it's been 15 minutes. Now we're gonna check it. As you can see, the water has been dried from the meat and the smell is mashallah so good. Now we're gonna add is 3 tomato. We chopped it just like that. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. And then now we're gonna mix it nicely. The smell and the color is mashallah so beautiful and so adorable. This is actually a really easy recipe and tasty recipe to make. Now we're gonna cover it for 2 minutes. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. It's been 2 minutes. Now we're gonna check it. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Mashallah, mashallah. As you can see, the color is so pretty, mashallah. We're gonna mix it. And then now we're gonna add is 1 cup of vegetable oil. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. You can take any oil you want. If you want olive oil or any oil, we're just gonna use is the simple oil. Now we're gonna mix it again. As I said, this is a really easy recipe. Like, you don't need to order it from the restaurant. You can just make this in the home. The smell is mashallah so good. And then we're gonna mix it at least for 10 minutes. So as you can see, the color and the smell is just so beautiful and mashallah. Like, you can eat this with rice or roti, and this tastes amazing and also easy to make in the home. Now we're gonna add is 1 tablespoon cream cheese. As you can see, we are using Nadir cream cheese. One tablespoon of that. Now we're gonna mix it. Now we're gonna add is 7 chilies. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. And then mix it just like that. Now we're gonna add is coriander. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. And then mix it again. As you can see, the color is so beautiful, mashallah, and the smell is just so cool. So our meat karai recipe has been ready. Now we're gonna dish it out. So our meat karai recipe has been ready. We're gonna eat it with rice and salad. If you wanna eat with roti, it's your opinion. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share, and tell me in the comment section down below how did you like the recipe. Allah Hafiz.